The AMG 4.0-litre V8 biturbo engine now also replaces the previous 5.5-litre V8 biturbo engine in the G63. It generates 430 kilowatts, 585 horsepower, in this model, and delivers a maximum torque of 850 Nm. This is available across a wide rev range between 2.500 and 3.500 revolutions per minute, and provides a sense of effortless superiority. It absolves a sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.5 seconds. This dynamic performance is maintained up to the limited maximum speed of 220 km per hour, or 240 km per hour with the AMG Driver's package. The two turbochargers are not positioned on the outside of the cylinder banks, but inside the cylinder V. Advantages: a compact engine design, spontaneous response of the turbochargers and low exhaust emissions thanks to optimal airflow to the near engine catalysts. The 8-cylinder delivers its power with muscular torque in all engine speed ranges, combined with maximum efficiency for low fuel consumption and emission figures. Two twin-scroll turbochargers are used for optimal response. The housing is divided into two parallel flow channels, combined with two separate exhaust ducts and the exhaust manifold. This makes it possible to control the exhaust gases on the turbine wheel separately. The exhaust gas from the first and fourth cylinders of the cylinder bank is fed into one duct, that from the second and third cylinders to the other duct. The aim is to prevent the individual cylinders from having mutually adverse effects on the gas cycle. This reduces the exhaust gas back pressure and improves gas exchange. The results are increased output by virtue of improved cylinder charging with fresh mixture, more torque at low revs and very fast response times. Other engine features include modified pistons, optimized intercooling and extensive software upgrades. Spray-guided direct petrol injection with piezo injectors, the all-aluminium crankcase, the 4-valve per-cylinder design with camshaft adjustment, air-water intercooling, alternator management, the eco start, stop function and the gliding mode have all been retained.